In today's video, I'll teach you how to chat with Amazon customer support. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to chat with the customer service, what you have to do is simply hover over this option for account and list. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here at last, you'll be able to find this option for customer service. Click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the customer service interface of Amazon. Over here, you'll be able to find two options: home, digital services and device support. Click on this option, digital services and device support. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. In this tab, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for contact us. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, new tab will be opened. Now in the new tab, you'll be able to chat with them. Right now, due to some problem, the chat is not available for me, but the chat will be available for you. Simply go ahead and chat with them. So like this, you'll be able to chat with the Amazon customer service. So that is how you chat with Amazon customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.